Hello everyone. Today's topic is about business plan. We're going to have a look at it, what exactly is it all about and what benefits does it have, and eventually why exactly is it needed for an organization. Now, business plan is basically a written document that provides information about what exactly the business is, its objectives, its financial forecast, and the strategies that are going to be used in order to attain those objectives. It provides a clarity on the roadmap that shall be adopted by the entrepreneur in order to make the business a success. The benefits of a business plan are it provides an idea whether the business idea is good or bad, as in terms of its viability, whether it is going to be viable or not. Secondly, whether the business is going to be about producing a product or providing a service, and who exactly is the business going to serve, that is identifying the customers. Thirdly, it also helps in identifying the information gaps. This business plan actually gives a logical structure to the business idea that the entrepreneur has. Besides that, this business plan can be used to pitch the investors, the financial investors, as well as the potential customers. And finally, this business plan helps in identifying or gauging the entire performance. Now let's have a look at the questions that the business plan answers. The first question that the business plan answers is, what exactly is the business idea about, or what exactly is the opportunity? Secondly, what exactly are you going to offer, whether it's a product or a service, and how is it unique or different from others? Thirdly, what exactly is your target market like? What is the size of your target market segment, and whether it is growing or not? And besides that, who are your potential competitors? Most important of all, pricing has to be answered as well. Now, in case of pricing, you need to assess how much would it cost to produce that product or service, and whether the customers are willing to pay the price, the set price at which you are planning to sell that product or service. Besides that, when exactly are you going to break even, and eventually when would the profits start pouring in? With regards to financing, you need to assess who exactly is going to finance your business and what kind of financing is required. To top it all, how much capital would be required to launch and run the business? And lastly, the most important of all is, what are the potential threats to your business and how exactly do you plan to handle them?